Hey, it's Roy Richardson, your friendly neighborhood tech troublemaker. I am with a brand new unboxing video. Now you're going to say, well, this is a little bit old, what you're doing. This product has been out forever, but it's new to me. And so I'm really excited. I want to show you what I've gotten now. I've got something new. I'm basically baby stepping, upgrading my game. And I found this deal on YouTube. on eBay. Did you know that Best Buy has a store on eBay? I did not know this. So anyway, I got the Cam Link 4K. So this is my unboxing of the Cam Link 4K. I just got it. I'm pretty excited. This tape is always debating me. You know, I'm like, I need to get some sharp instrument on my desk, obviously. But I'm really excited about this because I have a camera coming. And I really want to up my A game here. And also I use another computer to do, so I'm primarily in my personal life a Mac user, and then in my work life I'm a Windows user, and then I also teach, and in my teaching I'm running back and forth between Windows and Mac because I'm trying to make equal opportunity for all my students regardless of platform they have chosen. And so I go back and forth doing demos on both, and so I'll break out my Windows computer, and I find that if I do any kind of sharing from my computer, that the video is a little hazy, and so this is going to up my game on that as well, so that when I share my computer, come on, and this was on sale on Best Buy, on eBay, and so cheaper than I could get on Amazon. So here you go. Whoops, let's flip it around. There you go. Ta-da! This is when you like play find the camera. There's the camera. Hey! And the Elgato Cam Link 4. My new camera that's coming is a 4K camera. And so I'm going to do some stuff. And so here it is, the Cam Link. I have been wanting one of these forever. And now I have one. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be connecting up my computer and seeing what kind of magic. And Elgato makes good stuff. You might be saying, why didn't you get the 60S Plus? It's on my list to go if I'm going to do this until, cost-wise, I can afford it. So I'm a YouTuber on a budget. I haven't monetized my channel yet, so I'm doing this kind of stuff. Here it goes. Yes, anyway, so I'm excited. I'm excited. Here's my 4K Cam Link. And ta-da! Yeah, here it is. And here's the cable to extend it. I always wonder why they put stoppers in these things, because I'm always thinking, am I in a very dusty environment when I'm using this thing? I'm not. I'm not in a dusty environment. And so, anyway. Okay, so here I am, untwisting the twisty. What will they call bread ties if bread ever goes away? I don't know. Think about that cosmically. So here it is, and that's it. That's the unboxing of the Cam Link 4K. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.